This is going to be the service elevator at the Brown Palace Hotel in Denver, Colorado. Here it is.
Hi, how are you, Matisse?
Oh, this is going down?
No, that goes to the kitchen.
Oh, okay. Oh, they were going to the kitchen, okay. I'll give it another shot. I want to try to sneak a ride on it because it looks interesting. I guess while we wait, we're gonna look out over here. Those are the steps. In that corner are where the main elevators are. Service elevator. And it's here. Oh, that is epic leveling. Wow, look at this. This one is the 50s Westinghouse logo. Interesting. I'm gonna go to 2. I don't want to go to the bottom. I think this one might have a Dover mod, judging by the indicator. Don't know for sure, though. That is some epic leveling. Oh. 9. Oh. You heading up?
Yeah. But then he made up all this bullshit. He was all
Which floor?
Same floor. Oh.
Have a very nice day. Is it gonna go? Okay, there we go. I'm just checking out the elevator, that's all.
Okay.
And have a nice day, sir.
I was going up to the...
Oh, okay. You're going up?
Yeah.
To the top? Okay. All right. Well, have a nice day, sir. Oh, that was the service car. Oh, well. I mean, I knew that, but I'm just pretending like I didn't. But anyways, there it goes. That's it.